Go.
This is what uniforms look like, but my pants need to be different. I wear my uniform every day. This is what uniform looks like.
Yes.
Wearing a uniform is awesome. Wait, do we start the video now?
Okay.
You should wear your uniforms to be school appropriate. I like to wear my uniform every